What is the most enjoyable and present thing for us, yet massively underrated? That's right, it's sound. But why it is so underrated? Sound is what we call a perception of differences of pressure in the air. That means our perception of vibrating environment, making us not just a receptor of information, but part of it. Sound always had a big role in creating architecture, by affecting our sensations and, by extension, the way we interact with the place. For Juhani Palazma, architecture is an art that must be life-enriching, and to achieve that, it must engage all of our senses, especially the visual and auditive ones. Knowing that and knowing the environment of Bilbao Street, I choose to interact with the pre-existence by changing its sounds, like for instance creating reverberation by off-closing the ends of the road and giving it a roof, trapping the sound inside. And the other one that would merge with the reverberation factor to create something even bigger. It's a ephemeral box at one end of the road for creating a sound reflector and projector chamber, making all the street a small yet sound efficient amphitheater.